Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Friday, February 27th. The euro declined 1.49% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1195. In economic news, Germany's seasonally adjusted unemployment rate remained unchanged at 6.5% in February, at par with market expectations. On the other hand, Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Index rose to a level of 9.7, notching its highest level since October 2001 in March, higher than market expectations for an advance to 9.5. In the US, the CPI fell more than expected by 0.7% on a monthly basis in January, marking its biggest decline in 6 years. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1136, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.1061. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1333, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1455. Trading charts on the pair today are expected to be determined by Germany's CPI data, scheduled in a few hours. Additionally, the US fourth quarter GDP data, scheduled later today, would be closely monitored by the market participants. The British pound fell 0.77% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5410. Losses were kept in check after Britain's preliminary GDP grew 2.7% on an annual basis in the fourth quarter 2014, in line with market expectations. Separately, the Bank of England Governor Minouche Shafik indicated that the next probable move by the central bank with regards to monetary policy will be a hike in its benchmark interest rates, as the issues that cause slowdown in inflation are seen fading. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5369, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.5301. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5529, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5622. The US dollar strengthened 0.45% against the Japanese yen and closed at 119.39. Overnight data show that Japan's national CPI rose 2.4% on an annual basis in January, at par with market expectations. The pair is expected to find support at 118.80, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 118.32. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 119.63, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 119.99. The Australian dollar weakened 1.07% against the US dollar to close at 0.7799. Early morning data showed that private sector credit in Australia rose 0.60% on a monthly basis in January, beating market expectations for an advance of 0.50%. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7744, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.7692. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7880, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7965. Gold prices traded higher by 0.41% against the US dollar at $1209.80 per ounce, on the back of worse-than-expected CPI and initial jobless claims data in the US, thus increasing the demand for the safe haven yellow metal. Meanwhile, gold holdings in the SPDR Gold Trust remained unchanged at 771.25 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1204.16, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1198.63. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1217.56, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1225.43. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.